My name is Greg. We're here in the east portion of Bozeman, Montana. We performed a large deck remodel. We used Trex Decking, and now we're about to start installing Trex's Trex Signature X-Series Cable. System is very intuitive and easy to order and use. I'm sure that if you've done enough cable railing system, especially if it included stairs, you have horror stories of not getting the right part and not getting the right support to complete. Did a good job simplifying the system. 6-foot horizontal kits, 12-foot horizontal kits, and 18-feet horizontal kits. Then you have 6-foot staircase. Anchor posts or the big posts are going to be in the corners of each kit. The 18-foot kit, it comes with your cables, your turnbuckles, tensioner, your bolts, T-nuts, your brackets, pass-through posts, top rail, your cable spacer. Next job, we have a 47-foot long front edge. We're using 3 18-foot kits to do that. And this is your anchor post with 3 of those blank infills right here. It allows you to use this anchor post as an end scenario, line scenario, corner scenario. Piece itself that has the holes in it, that comes with the kit. Slimmer pass-through post, same size base plate as the anchor post, which makes it easy to line up. Your short cable, you can only push it one way and then it is locked. The tensioning tool has an end that will inside of it have a spring. You can push on that and then remove the cable. On the stair situation, you want to start with a string line above the nose of each threads right here. You take the measurement from the top of the base plate to where the line crosses, top of base plate to where the line crosses your post. Just work off of those measurements following the instructions.